Welcome to our tutorial on using Geoweaver with Docker, specifically for macOS and Linux users. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to get Geoweaver up and running using Docker. First and foremost, ensure Docker is installed on your system. If you haven't installed Docker yet, please visit the Docker official website for installation instructions, link provided in the description of this video. For this demonstration, I'm using macOS with Docker already installed. Let's begin by pulling the Geoweaver image from Docker Hub. Open your terminal and run the following command. Once you run this command, the download will start, pulling the Geoweaver image from Docker Hub to your local system. Once the download is complete, let's verify that the image is successfully pulled into our system. Run this command to see the list of Docker images. Now that we have the Geoweaver image, we need to start a container. To do this, use the docker run command. Let's break down this command step by step. Docker run. This command is used to create and start a new container. The interactive terminal flag, which allows you to interact with the container's terminal. The detached mode flag, meaning it runs the container in the background. The port mapping flag, which maps port 8070 on your host to port 8070 in the container, making Geoweaver accessible on your local machine. The environment variable flag, which sets the password for Geoweaver to Geoweaver inside the container. The volume flag, which creates a named volume Geoweaver data and mounts it to the home directory of the Mars vegan user in the container. This ensures that your data persists across container restarts. This is the name of the Docker image we are using. If the container starts successfully, you will receive a container ID. To verify that the Docker container is running, you can use the following command. This command lists all Docker containers on your system, including their status. Look for your Geoweaver container in the list to confirm it's running. To use Geoweaver, open your web browser and navigate to the following URL, http://localhost port 8070/Geoweaver. This URL is also specified in the description of the video. If the Docker container stops, for example during a system shutdown, you can restart it using the docker start command, followed by the container ID or container name. Here's how you do it. Now, let's explore how to use different versions of Geoweaver. First, visit the Docker Hub website and sign in to your account. Once signed in, search for Geoweaver. On the Geoweaver Docker Hub page, you'll find a tag section which lists all available versions. You can choose the tag that best suits your needs. For example, if you want to use version 1.5.1, you can pull the specific version by running the docker pull command along with the tag. If no tag is specified while pulling, Docker will pull the image with the latest tag by default. And that's it. You've successfully set up Geoweaver using Docker. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the video description for all relevant links and commands.